Chevy. I'm whipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
So I just picked up this shelf for the garage. It's a mobile shelf though. Technically it's not a shelf. It's a cart. You know what I'm saying? So as you know, or don't know, I got a lot of damn tools. So what I aim to do is make it to where storage is a little bit more friendly, so to speak. Come here, oh cheese. So what I want to do is show y'all the cart that I picked up. Now I was gonna go with like a traditional, I guess a traditional plastic cart that you put tools on and stuff, but y'all see my garage, it is very packed. So I found a solution that just may work for me and for you. Let's check it out. Alright, so what I'm going to show you here today is this folding cart. Well, it looks like a cart, doesn't it? Just a regular ass cart until that bit start to transforming on your ass. Alright? So I'm going to show you how it go from one down to none. Alright, so first bring it up for the first step. That's gonna give you one cart shelf. Each shelf holds 100 pounds. Do not overload it over that. Per the instructions, it's probably not gonna hold. Okay, now if you just want to do a second shelf, there are some red tabs here that's gonna allow you to let that down. And now you got not one, but two shelves, okay? Now, this second shelf, I won't lie, I mean, this one feels kind of, I don't know, iffy. It does have a thing that says, please distribute weight, load evenly on all shelves. So, that's if you want your second shelf. So, one more time. So, you got one shelf at the bottom. If you want the second shelf, two. Now, let's say that you need 3 shelves, you know, or you're just using the shelf in a capacity of like people use shelves. That's gonna fold up like that. We're gonna fold this down. Now that's gonna snap into that. Now this is stable. It has support from both sides. And then this part here is gonna come down like that. And now you have a 3-shelf cart. Now, like I said, the amazing or the cool thing about it is that when you're not using the cart, don't need the cart, whatever the situation may be, you can then come around, turn around, and boom. Fold that over, fold that up, boom. Boom. And now you can roll this up under whatever and put it out the way, and now the cart's not being in your way. So if you are thinking about getting one of these, go to homedepot.com. This one is made by Husky. It is the steel folding utility cart. 300 pound total capacity, 100 per shelf. Easily folds into a compact size to transport or store in small, compact areas. Got locking wheels constructed with high gauge powder coated steel. 3 shelves that hold up to 100 pounds each. So if you're looking for a shelf, go grab this one. Tell them LS Chevy Rider 254 sent you. Gone. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's your boy. We back here. We in the lab. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know what that means. You know what the fuck that means. Anyway, as you can see behind me, we got that little baby buttoned in there a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Kind of kind of, sort of. Let me flip it around. But yeah, got a little baby tucked in there. And yo, I don't want to spoil it for y'all, but I don't want to spoil it for y'all, but let's just take a look. Take a look at the reading rainbow, my nigga. All right, see, there go your oil pressure there. Now I don't want to crank. God damn it. But as you can see, what I'm trying to point out to you, that our oil pressure is going to the roof. Like, it's never jumped that high before. Like, it's up, bitches. It is up, bitches. I'm not exactly sure why it don't want to run for me no more. There you go. See that oil pressure? You see that goddamn oil pressure? You can see that motherfucking oil pressure. Cut it out, nigga. Cut it out. To be continued.